Is your desk a tangled mess of cables and dongles? This sleek black box promises to clean it all up and supercharge your workflow. We're talking about the Minthouz 12-in-1 docking station, and it's designed to redefine how you interact with your computer. First off, let's talk displays, because this is where the Minthouz truly shines. Imagine driving a single, stunning 8K monitor for incredible detail, or perhaps 3 crisp 4K HDMI displays simultaneously. For anyone in creative fields, video editing, or just a serious multitasker who needs screen real estate, that's a game changer. It genuinely maximizes your multitasking capabilities, making those complex projects feel a lot more manageable. And powered. This dock doesn't just connect, it charges. When paired with its robust 130W power adapter, it delivers up to 100W of safe and rapid charging directly to your connected laptop. That means you can quickly recharge your device while displaying content or transferring data, eliminating that dreaded battery anxiety. Just make sure your laptop's USB-C port supports power delivery, which most modern machines do. Then there's the sheer array of connectivity. You get 4 USB-A ports, perfect for your mouse, keyboard, or external drives, all zipping along at up to 5 gigabits per second. But for serious speed, there are 2 blazing fast USB-C ports, pushing data at up to 10 gigabits per second. Transferring large files, like those 8K video projects, becomes a blink-and-you-miss-it affair. And for rock-solid, stable internet, that 1000 Mbps LAN port is an absolute lifesaver, ensuring you're never held back by flaky Wi-Fi. Plus, there's an audio jack for your headphones or speakers, keeping everything neatly centralized. Compatibility is also a strong suit. This laptop docking station plays nice with almost everything, whether you have a Thunderbolt 3 or 4 laptop, or any device featuring a functional Type-C port that supports both charging and video output. It supports triple 4K displays seamlessly on both macOS and Windows, which is fantastic news for cross-platform users. In hand, the Minthouz feels robust, well-built, and its understated black finish is sleek enough to blend into any setup without drawing unnecessary attention. It's not just about adding ports. It's about creating a more efficient, less cluttered workspace, transforming your laptop into a true desktop powerhouse. The Minthouz 12-in-1 isn't just another dock. It's a powerful command center for your desktop, simplifying connections and boosting productivity in one elegant, high-performance package. If you're looking to seriously upgrade your workstation, this is definitely one to consider.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.